So you're chasing a fencing laser for your fencing needs on your farm or your rural property. I'm going to show you what RedBack Lasers have got to offer. So you've got one of three lasers to choose from, the DGL 1010 GM, the EGL 624 GM, which both comes as a red and a green beam laser. Why are these so good for fencing? So to run a fence, we want to run a rotating laser vertically, but the biggest problem that you're going to have is aligning that laser down your fence line, because 1 millimeter movement here could be 20 or 30 millimeters, 30 or 40 meters away. What these lasers all offer is they're all a grade match laser, so they will actually track to the receiver in vertical mode. So when we set the laser over, we run it down our fence line roughly, we put our receiver over a defined point, press a button on the receiver, the laser is going to track to the receiver and lock on. Now we can do that up to 50 meters away and then pick up that laser beam up to 300, 350 meters forward and reverse. So that's up to 700 meters of fencing off your laser. So we want to look in more depth the difference between these lasers and why you'd choose which one.